Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to add location information to your tweets. Log into your Twitter account if you are not already logged in. Click on the More tab in the left sidebar. Click on the Settings and Support from the pop-up menu. Now click on the Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. Under Settings section, click on Privacy and Safety. Scroll down. Under Data Sharing and Personalization section, click on Location Information. Click on Add Location Information to your tweets. Check the box next to the text that says Add Location Information to your tweets. A notification will be displayed on your browser. Click Allow. That's it. From now on, location information will be added to your tweets. This is how you can add location information to your tweets. Thank you for watching.